Namaskar, I am Chef Rajaram. Today I am going to make crispy vegetable noodle soup. For making crispy vegetable noodle soup, we have to first fry the cooked noodles in hot oil. Before frying, you must cook the noodles. The color of noodle is light golden color, so we remove from the oil. Now I am going to make crispy vegetable noodle soup. First we light up the gas. I will put some oil in it. When pan becomes warm, we add some finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped onion, and cook for 1 minute. Add carrot, cabbage, capsicum, broccoli, mix it. Now add vegetable stock in it. Bring to boil. Add some vinegar, soya sauce, salt, crushed peppercorn, MSG, I will add finely chopped coriander, our soup starts boiling now, so I will thicken the soup with diluted corn flour. Cook for 2-3 minutes after adding the corn flour. To enhance the flavor of this soup, I will add little bit Schezwan sauce, check the seasoning. This soup is ready to serve now. Making this soup, it will take 7 minutes. Serve the soup in a bowl and garnish with crispy fried noodles and spring onions. Thank you very much for watching my video. You can also try this recipe at your home.